What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley if you guys are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I'm so glad you guys are back for another video. All right, so the last time you saw me, I was not, does this make me look engaged? So a few weeks ago, about 2, we were up in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania, and we got engaged. I'm gonna be having a vlog for that whole trip so you guys can see it. And I'll kind of do a backstory on it for you. I feel so out of the YouTube, exactly. The YouTube, oh my gosh. And the weather keeps making the lighting change because it is like windy and sunny, and I'm sorry for the fluctuations. I haven't filmed in so long. I feel like I don't even know what I'm doing. I feel uncomfortable and I don't like that. So I wanted to just kick off everything with a vlog, or not a vlog. Oh my gosh. Okay, we need to start this over. All right, we're doing a haul today. Fall decor that is transitional for all of the seasons. You got your September through December, and I have some things that I've gotten from Homegoods, TJ Maxx, Amazon, all over the place, and I just want to share them with you. I'm also gonna share some shop with me footage so you guys can kind of see my process, I guess, for shopping. I have this thing where I just put everything in the cart and then I kind of figure out where it's gonna go if I really need it. And then if things go back, they go back. I want to say thank you to Teddy Blake for sponsoring this video. You guys know I have used Teddy Blake bags for so long, and they just did a partnership with Clarinet, which is that really awesome company that allows you to do payments when you do online shopping. So they partnered up and created 2 new bags. I love the bag that I chose because it is perfect for shopping. It's a crossbody little tiny satchel, and it can hold everything that I need, but it's not overdone, you know what I mean? I used to be a big bag girl, and I can't carry them around for shopping. I like something compact, easy to carry, that's comfortable, and this bag is just that. You can also change out the straps, which makes it super cool. They're all made with premium Italian leather, super high quality, but for a fraction of the cost. I'm gonna have a coupon code for you guys down below where you can save some moolah on your own Teddy Blake bags. I will link some of my favorite bags that I actually purchased and have from them as well, so you can check out some of my favorite designs from Teddy Blake. So I actually saved the packaging so you guys could see, but Teddy Blake is so profesh, okay? I mean, really high quality. You always get a dust bag to protect your bags. One of the things that I really like about this is it's kind of duo toned, so it's really gorgeous saddle style with the button closure. So I definitely prefer to shop with bags like this just because they can go crossbody. It's super simple. I love that you can change the straps out. Amazon also sells a lot of straps if you wanted to, like, you know, change them. But the quality of this bag is beautiful. It's so structured. It's got the Teddy Blake logo on the back. I like that you could also wear this for spring just because the pops of pink are super cute. And then on the inside, you have plenty of room for your phone, wallet, keys, sunglasses, little makeup bag. Literally the perfect. Definitely check out their bags. They're just so good, and I'm really excited for this one. All right, so let's just jump right on into it. All right, here we go. This weather today, it is beautiful outside, but it is intense. It is so windy. All right, so first of all, one thing I think that really can change a space through the seasons is pillows. I keep a very neutral house. I like white, I like beige and cream, natural wood tones. But during the fall, I really gravitate towards earthy tones and things that make me think of like rocks and dirt and dead leaves. It's just kind of what it is. I was at TJ Maxx, which the one near my house is kind of like a little gold mine because it is small, so it's really curated, and I actually like going to TJ Maxx sometimes because it's less overwhelming and you can just find like special things. These pillows were there and they're super squishy. They almost feel like memory foam, which I like. You don't really get that typically, I feel like, in pillows. It's just like a standard fill. And they have these beautiful kind of tribal, reminds me of like a Navajo pattern. And I thought for fall, this was just really beautiful. I don't know, I thought that they were really pretty. Just a little different for fall. We also did finally place our order with Monarch Sofas for our couch, and that should be getting here hopefully before Christmas, and I can't wait to share that with you. But I just really love changing out the pillows for the season. I think it's just an easy way to kind of, you know, add some color, some texture. And I'm gonna be sharing a video with you guys on 10 ways to make your house super cozy for fall and winter. So definitely subscribe if you are not already, so you guys can have those tips. I share some little DIYs, some easy hacks that anybody can do. You don't have to go out and like buy a bunch of decor or anything like that. It's simple things anybody can do. Let me just make sure I don't forget anything. I kind of did this shopping trip a while ago. All right, I don't really like tacky decor, and I don't want to offend anybody. There are certain tacky things that I like just because they're nostalgic, but if I want something to last September to the end of November for our fall season, I want it to just kind of blend in or be really functional. So I found these wood pears. I got 2 of them. They have like a patinaed brass stem and leaf, which I thought really cute. They were only $6 and they just have a nice kind of reclaimed wood look. And I've got one over there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just really cute. Put it on a bookshelf, great for styling. I always pick this kind of stuff up because you never know when it's gonna work in your space. You guys, the TJ Maxx, like I was telling you about, had a ton of these crystals in their little gardening section. This was $5. I don't know how, but it was $5. So I got my first little crystal. This, I mean, I guess it's like a man-made one. I don't know, I'm assuming. Crystals, these are really good prices. Already picked up some good ones. Nothing in the pillow department, that's for sure. I love this, and this is a great brand. Only $79.99. I don't have anywhere to put it though. Another really good find. Just don't see. 150. If it didn't have the sequins, this would be super cute. This is a big no-no. Kind of, I like the texture that it gives. I like that it looks like a natural element. It just makes things look really thoughtful when you incorporate natural materials and textures. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna share with you guys is over there, and it is this white jug, essentially. I saw it at Homegoods and I was like, this is cool. It's like, it doesn't have the real aged, it doesn't have the aged, excuse me, voice. It doesn't have that aged vessel look that I know a lot of us like from Pottery Barn and restoration, but I just kind of liked how clean it was. I thought it would work for all of the seasons depending on what you did with it. It could stand alone, it could be a centerpiece, it would be great on an island with some branches of some sort, but I put a huge dried arrangement in there that I found at TJ Maxx for $12, and I wanted to bring in some more of those like maroon and rust colors, and this was perfect. It also kind of smells nice. And it's just kind of different. I don't typically, or in the past, I haven't gone for things like that. It was always a little bit like too far. I wanted to keep it neutral, but I felt like this was really fun and it looks really nice as a little mantle area because we don't have a big mantle, so everything kind of has to go on the sides to make it work. Speaking of dried flowers, I also picked up another large dried wheat. I've been trying to source a vintage cast iron or wrought iron like milk jug. I saw Lydia Elise Millen have, I think she has 2 in her foyer, black. They look so sharp with the dried wheat. So I picked up the dried wheat just to hang on to because sometimes it's expensive, and I think this was maybe $6. Again, kind of stepping out of my comfort zone, I found another little arrangement of like dried eucalyptus and some other fun festive things. I thought this was great for Halloween. We had this little candle spooky skeleton section, and it just kind of tied everything together with the dried arrangement. For neutrals, if you're gonna go the neutral route, try to find something with some texture. I also found this pillow, which was $19.99. Actually does have the brand. It's by Urban 86. Just a nice kind of ivory or oatmeal color, some fringe, just kind of gives a little bit of, you know, something something. I've been looking for a bowl. Now don't look at this because there's a story, but I like to incorporate darker woods during like fall and winter, and I found this and it was inexpensive. It was like 16 bucks maybe, and sometimes these can be like 30 to 40 bucks at Homegoods. And as I was carrying it to check out, the bottom cracked and they were like, do you still want it? They ended up giving it to me for $10. I wood glued it, but I need to sand off the white because it's very unattractive, but beautiful bowl. You can do a lot with that. That was pretty much everything that I purchased from Homegoods and TJ Maxx. I did get some things that were like Halloween decor, like this skeleton. We did a bunch of lights out front. I have that, which actually needs to go back downstairs. It's like a little vintage witchy box. Oh, and I got some like napkins and stuff for our bathroom. And then we did the bats on our fireplace, and I also did it in our guest bath, or our little powder room, which was really cute. But I also found some really good Amazon finds. I love tapered candles. These candlesticks are from Target. They're so great. I love them. I got them last year. I also have them in the antique brass, but I never actually light the candles because it's just kind of, I don't know, it just seems unsturdy. But I found these at, did I only have 3? Did it come with 3 or did it come with 6? I'll have to double check. I think it was like 25 bucks, but how good does this look? It flickers, it comes with a remote. We had them up on our mantle for Halloween and everybody thought that they were real. They're like, well, you're risky with like the candles. And then when they got closer and they saw that it actually was a battery powered candle, I think it's a great, investment. Ooh, what'd I do? So cool. We had these everywhere for Halloween on our little like buffet table, and it was great. I am really excited to share our couch with you guys and like finally give you a home tour. Oh, I can't wait. I hope you guys liked seeing my little fall decor haul. I'm gonna be sharing my cozy house tips with you guys and a fall home tour. Let me know what else you guys want to see. As always, I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you in the next video.